Chow Chow, the lion-like dog. Chow Chows are distinguished by their lion-like mane and distinctive blue-black tongue, traits that make them appear regal and unique. Originating from China, they have a history dating back thousands of years, and their lion-like appearance symbolizes strength and power in Chinese culture. These dogs are known for their aloof and independent personalities. They can be reserved and cautious around strangers but are incredibly loyal and protective of their families. Chow Chows often form strong bonds with their owners and can be particularly devoted.